All right, this should be a quick video. We get the input, each line should be separated by comma, then get the target and then the numbers, and then we're gonna try to do the two operators. So I've already created the project. If we have this, we should try to see if multiply here or add, and then try both of them with multiply, add, and continue until we see if we get the target. Brute forcing, not the quickest way to do it, but it's gonna be pretty quick. So data, get all the lines, then map each line to the split it on comma. So comma, right, and then we get the target, the next, unwrap, parse, and we're never using negative numbers, so we can use usize. So that would be the target, and then we have the numbers, which is the next one, and then unwrap it, split it, we get the string, split on y space, split white space, and then convert every string to a usize, then collect it. Need to say that's a vec, and so then we get a bunch of tuples with the target and the numbers, and then we want to just get the ones that are can be solved. So filter, and then we have the equation, and we can create a temporary function there, and then we want to get the target. So the first one, that needs to be unwrapped, and that needs to be unwrapped. Get the first one, and then sum it, and then print the sum. And then we just need to create this function. So we have the target, and we have the numbers. So what we want to do is we want to fold over the numbers and get each variation, but I'm not going to use the fold operator because it becomes unreadable, I think. So I'm just going to have a list of all of the results. It should start with the first number, and then gonna loop for all of the other numbers. So start at index 1 and get the rest, and then this would be results. So we can iterate over that, and then we can use flat map to return multiple results. So we have the result, and what we want to return is the result multiplied by the number, and also the result and adding the number, and then we can just check if any result is equal to target, and return that. That needs to be a reference. Yes. That can be copied. The type is known. It's a usize. All right. And I think that's correct. Well, I already solved it. Yes, and so then for the second part, it's just instead of multiplying, we're also gonna concatenate the numbers. So that would be just number, and then parse it back to a usize, and so we convert it to a string and then back to a usize, and it's not fast, but it's fast enough. So it is correct. So yeah, easier than yesterday.